And I hope I get this motherfucking noise. Not that one. Didn't do it. Let's see if I can do it over here. Oh my god, yes! I fucking got it! Fuck yes. Piece of shit telling me it fucking no noise and shit. Fucking proved you wrong. First gear, that noise does it. Oh my fucking god, it's so annoying. I hope I can hear it on the video. Well, anyways, let's see if I can do it again. And this is just normal. I'm not even doing anything. I'm letting go of the clutch easy. Accelerating, balancing it. I'm not doing anything wrong. The traction is on. It used to not be on. The traction should be off, and it would do it. It would never do it on traction on. Or I hadn't had the chance to get it on traction on until now, which I am so darn happy to get on video. Hopefully you can hear the sound really good. And it came from the left side, not from the right. I felt the feedback on the clutch pedal, kind of. Not really on the shift knob. I didn't feel it on the shift knob, but I felt it on the pedal, clutch pedal. Coming to full stop right here. See if I can do it. Nope. See? It doesn't always happen. So, yeah, that's nice. Thank you, God. Bye.